Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be fine and fit inside your respective homes. It is COVID 19 that is building pressure. No doubt this COVID has to go. Pandemics have been part and parcel of life since ages ago. They come and vanish. But restrictions or precautionary measures in the days of pandemic are very important. Life is precious gift of God and we need to give value to the life. We need to save our lives first and then should give preference to rest of the things that are related to life. Nowadays 50% activities, we may say economic activities, are on. The major sector that is meeting with the biggest loss is the educational sector. No doubt the virtual classes are there. Students are receiving these virtual classes through digital world, but the physical interaction is important. If these virtual classes would have been substitute for the actual classroom teaching, the Americans would have closed, or the Italians have closed their schools and have asked teachers to just deliver from your homes and students will receive the things from their homes. Dear students, in these days of pandemic, we have to also care for our the future, that our career also, because our career is at stake. Educational institutions being shut, so this sector is meeting the highest loss. Even some students aren't in possession of these mobile phones, belong to poor background and they can't afford these mobile phones. So what they will do then? If notes are available with you or books are available with you, whatever the unwanted material is there, discard the unwanted material. Make notes short to crack the examinations. First, you have to win one year of your life. You have to crack the coming examinations. For that, your available material, you have to cut short the things. You have to remain with the books. You have to prepare new notebooks by cutting short the unwanted material from your available notebooks, from your available notes. Dear students, second important thing is that you need to manage your time, because time management is important. If you are not managing your time, you can't be a winner tomorrow. If you are not a good manager, you can't be a the winner, or your career can't be a bright or flourishing. So you should frame a timetable in your homes and where there should be adequate time for each subject, whether it is a mathematics, it is English, it is social sciences, it is sciences, whatever the subject it is, there should be due time to every subject. One benefit for you is nowadays, because in nowadays it's COVID infection moving around. So best way is to remain inside your home, stick to the books. When you are stick to the books, you can defeat the COVID-19 infection and also can crack the examinations by sitting in home isolation. So you are benefiting yourselves in two ways if you are in home isolation. First, you will prepare the things for the coming examinations, and secondly, you will defeat the COVID 19 infection, because there is no remedy at all for this deadly virus. No doubt the scientists or virologists are trying hard to get the vaccine for it, but still it is looking unsuccessful attempt. So better is to remain busy with the books, busy with your notes, busy with your books, where you find some unwanted. This material is not necessary, discard it, make a new notebook, and crack the coming examinations. Dear students, some students are No doubt luck favors the brave only. Some students read selectively. They are selecting questions 50 or 40 and that shall be asked in the examination and they crack the coming examination with ease. But in this selectively selected process or selectively we are reading may not help us, may cheat us because sometimes these selected questions may not be asked in the examinations. Better is to remain busy with the books, prepare all the things. Wherever you need any counseling or guidance, do call the teachers. There are phone numbers available with you. Call the teachers and ask them to guide. And we are at disposal round the clock. We will guide them. But concentration is must. It is hard work. It's looking a very easy word, but to do hard work is a very twisted task. So before leaving the class, it is only advice, sort of suggestion for you. I am advising you do concentrate on self studies, remain busy with the books, manage your time. If you can't manage your time at the moment, I suspect or your career wouldn't be very good. But being a teacher, I am hopeful because hope sustains the life. You would remain inside your homes and you will make your future bright and flourishing. Thanks. Be balanced.